Hi, I'm Molly, and this is my friend Nieve, and we're going to show you how to do the applique stitch. The applique stitch is a way to sew a smaller piece of fabric onto a bigger piece of fabric, and we have some examples here. So,
this is a rainbow banner.
Rainbow banner.
You hang it up on your wall.
Yes, and
it's
the
not
rainbow.
about this. We're not teaching you how to make this.
And the rainbow part is sewn on with an applique stitch here, and then all these little shapes on this Christmas stocking are
it's
sewn
not
on.
Christmas right now, though.
Right now it's not, but it will be. Are sewn on with an applique stitch.
It's summer. It's like the opposite of winter.
It is, but you know, we're gonna be prepared.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna show Nieve how to do this. We're starting with 2 plies of embroidery floss onto our needle with a knot tied at the end. Okay, so we're gonna put our smaller piece on top of our bigger piece in the middle here. And then we're gonna take our thread, and from the back, we're going to go into both layers of felt just at the very edge of the heart and pull it through. You got it? Great. Then you're going to go to the outer edge of the heart just through the bottom layer of felt and pull it through. And that's the first applique stitch. Then we do it again. We go a little further up. We go through both layers just at the edge of the heart. Very good, Nieve. And then just on the outside edge of the heart, just through the one layer.
And then you can just keep doing it. I think your needle's going to get on thread.
It is. Okay. Great.
And sometimes it might get hooked up.
Yes. You want to unhook it. And you just keep doing that.
It might look like one stitch is bigger than the other stitch sometimes, but that's okay.
All part of the fun. That's why it's cool that it's handmade. So, Nieve, do you want to show how we end it? Flip it over.
We flip it over, then we don't go through the fabric so you can see it right here, but we just put the needle, we basically do stitches in place. You see this is really thick, the felt, so you basically only go through half of the felt.
Half of the layer, yeah.
And you do little stitches.
In place, so let's do 3 little stitches in place. 1, 2,
2.
And you got one more.
Right through.
Great. And then once you've taken a few tiny little stitches in place, you can cut the end, and you're all done there.
I'm just keep sewing, man.
Yeah. Nieve's gonna keep stitching.